Customer states they have a squeaking noise every time they actually put it in reverse. In reverse only. They don't hear it when going forward, but they do hear it creaking when they go in reverse. So what I went ahead and actually took the drive shaft out. As you can see, it's missing. This is the rear U-joint. As you can see, it's nice and loose. You know, good both ways. When you come to the front one, good this way, but this one, this one right here doesn't budge at all. I have it on the vice grip right now, but I don't know if you can hear that. Right, all new joints are in. The front one moves nice and free. That one moves nice and free. All right, drive shaft is in, and we got no more squeak in either direction. It'll squeak in the reverse side, but we got nothing. So, all done.